Hello, how are you to all viewers? I hope you all are well there. Guys, there have some new dogs here. One of them has and here is some injured. I'll have been wanting to put some medicine in his ear for a long time, but it was not come close to me. I had put a little bit, but it not insert properly. I'm trying again to put the medicine in his ear. If it stay like it until tomorrow, so maggots will get in his ear. That's why I'm trying to get this medicine in his ear as soon as possible. Now that it's sitting, let's try once again. Finally guys, I put the medicine in his ear. Here is another huge problem. She's also killed small babies and their poor mothers keep trying unsuccessful to protect her child from him.